Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashish and I'm a lawyer by profession. All of us were waiting for the gyms to reopen, and now when the gyms are getting open, we'll be putting a lot of time and energy to get our perfect physique as fast as possible. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 5 things that you should do to get perfect physique as fast as possible and get better results. So number 1 on the list is hydrate, hydrate and hydrate. When you work out, your body obviously sweats a lot and you lose a lot of water in the process. So you need to make sure that your energy levels are where they need to be. Try understanding this with the help of an example of car and oil. जिस तरीके से कार को चलने के लिए ऑयल की जरूरत होती है, in the same exact way your body needs water to work out. Your body takes energy from what you eat, so it cannot be in a starving state while you are working out. But at the same time, you should not be feeling full either. What I can suggest you for pre-workout meal is something which is enriched with protein and carbs. For example, having a banana before you work out, which is enriched with protein, carbs and natural sugars. Or you can also have wheat bread and peanut butter 1 hour before your workout. So the third one is warm up. Never forget your warm up before you exercise, because it helps your body in increasing your body temperature and range of motion. This is something really important, and most of the guys skip this part. You can't go into your workout before a proper warm up. It will only increase your chances of getting a muscle pull or injury by 90%. Wear comfortable clothing and minimum accessories. जिस तरीके के कपड़े आप पहनते हो, आप जिस तरीके के athleisure clothes पहनते हो, that affects your workout as well. Because the comfortable you are, the better your workout will be. Wear something according to your workout. For example, wearing a knee supporter on a leg day will help you out in increasing the weight and protecting your knees against any kind of injury. You should not be wearing loose or baggy pants which can trip you and cause an injury. Always take care of your hygiene by carrying your own gym towel, cap, water bottle and other belongings, because when you forget something at home, it will obviously hamper your performance at your gym. जब हम कभी कुछ भूल जाते हैं, for example post workout nutrition or something that is helpful for our workout, so it will obviously deplete our performance at the gym and we will not be able to give our best during the workout. So stay safe during your workout and do hit the like button if you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comments down below if you have any type of questions, or you can DM me on the Instagram as well. I am available at Ashish Arora 7. So see you in my next video.